Hello students, today we are learning English lesson number 1, the attic. Now before I start with the lesson, look at this picture. What is this? This is a house. In a house there are many rooms. Now for example, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen room, dining room, etc. There are many rooms in the house. Look at this picture. Which room is this? This is a bedroom. What is the name of this room? This is kitchen. What are the difference between these rooms? Bedroom is a room where we sleep, where there is a bed. And kitchen room is a room where your mother cooks food in it. The first question arises in everyone's mind that what is an attic? So let me explain. An attic is a small space just below the roof of the house. It is mostly used as a storeroom. People sometimes store those materials that are not frequently used in the attic. So, this story is about a group of friends who are not able to move out of the house and play as it is raining heavily. So, what do and how do they play in their playtime? Let us know by reading the story. Rain, rain, rain. How it rained. The great drops ran down the glass in streams. Mohan, Afzal, and little Noori watched it for a long time. Oh dear, they said at last. Do you think it will ever stop raining? We want to go out and play. Let us understand what is given in this paragraph. Mohan, Afzal, and Noori are three friends who are stuck inside the house due to rain. They want the rain to stop so that they can move out and play. But since it is raining heavily, they are unable to move out of the house and they had to be inside the house. Let us read the next paragraph now. Mohan had an idea. Why don't we go up to the attic and play? He asked. The other two thought it was a wonderful plan. Off the three friends went, running up the wooden stairs with their noisy feet. They found three old brooms and began to play. Soldier. Mohan first, then Noori, with Afzal last of all. The attic wasn't very large, but the children made space to play. What is noisy feet? Whenever you climb upstairs and you stamp your feet hard, it makes noise. That means you are walking with noisy feet. This paragraph says Mohan gets an idea of playing in the attic. They ran upstairs into the attic to make some space and found few broom and they started playing soldiers. They pretended as if they were soldiers and marched down the attic. They walked fast here and there. Let us read the next paragraph. While they were playing, Afzal's mother was baking her special cookies for them downstairs. Her secret was that she dipped the dough in sugar syrup to sweeten it. She could hear them as they marched along. She could even hear Afzal's command, about turn, every time they reached one end of the room. What is a dough? Dough means, have you ever seen your mother baking cookies or cakes or biscuits or chapatis? Yes, she mixes the wheat flour with water, and that mixture with wheat flour and water is called dough. Sweeten means to make something sweet by dipping in sugar syrup. Let us understand what is given in this paragraph. While the children were playing soldiers upstairs, Afzal's mother was baking cookies for them. She had a secret of sweetening the cookies by dipping the cookie in sugar syrup. While the children were playing, she could listen to Afzal's command about turn every time they reached one end of the room. Now let us read the next paragraph. By and by, they were tired of playing soldier. They pulled down some old dresses and hats that were hanging on a peg, put them on, and acted like grown ups. Then, out of an old box, they dragged a scrapbook full of pictures and sat down to look them over. Let us understand what is given in this paragraph. Whenever you play, usually you get bored by playing the same thing for a long time. Similarly, these children were bored of playing the soldier game for a long time. So they found out a new game. They pulled out some dresses and hats which were hanging on the peg. They pulled them out and started acting like grown ups. That means like adults. After they were bored of this game, even they found old scrapbook which was kept in the box. As they took out the scrapbook and started looking at the pictures pasted over it. Let us read the next paragraph. In the meantime, Lata arrived. Lata was Afzal's friend. She was wrapped in a yellow raincoat and was wearing a matching galoshes. She had bought a basket with two of her extremely lovable kittens in it. Afzal and his friends are in the attic, said Afzal's mother. So Lata ran up to find them. She did find them, but what do you think they were up to? All of them were fast asleep. Let us understand what is given in this paragraph. After some time, Lata, who was Afzal's friend, arrived home. She was wrapped in yellow raincoat and was wearing a galoshes below them. What is galoshes? Waterproof shoes. She also bought kittens with her and she was also thinking of playing with her friends and kittens. But when she went upstairs, she found her friend fallen asleep. I am sure Lata must have felt very bad. I hope children must have understood this lesson. Let's read the difficult words. Number 1, attic. Number 2, wonderful. Number 3, noisy. Number 4, downstairs. Number 5, dipped. Number 6, door. Number 7, marched. Number 8, command. Number 9, soldier. Number 10, galoshes. Number 11, lovable. Today's assignment is you have to read the lesson and the given spellings. Thank you.